Hi everyone. In this video, we'll describe you the solutions to repair corrupt or damaged ODG files. Here is a standalone solution: SysInfo Open Office Draw Recovery Software to recover deleted, corrupted, damaged ODG files. Recovery Software Tool by SysInfoTools to recover damaged ODG files. Lets you know the efficient features of the software. Efficiently recovers lost ODG files. Performs batch recovery of ODG file. Built to fight with all kind of draw file error. Preview of all recovered metadata from corrupt Open Office Draw files. Restores the file at user desired location. Effortlessly restores images, hyperlinked text and other objects from corrupt ODG files. Now, let's learn how to run this software. First of all, download the software and launch it on your system. Firstly, choose files from your system after the files is embedded in the software. All selected files will be shown in the selected area. Click on Repair Files tab to start the repair process. Recovery process will be completed in few seconds. In this step, click on the Browse tab to decide the location where you want to save the recovered files. Select any location and click on OK. Now click on Save to start the saving process of recovered files. When the saving process is complete, click on OK. Next, click on Exit button to close the application and click on Yes to exit. Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.